How can shipment data and shipping costs be automatically written back into NetSuite? Upon booking a shipment, ShipHawk can create or update an item fulfillment record in NetSuite to a shipped status. Here, we have an item fulfillment record created in the picked status. As you can see in the Shipments tab, the shipment fields are not filled in. Now, let's book the shipment in ShipHawk and see what happens. In seconds, the item fulfillment record is updated to the shipped status, and the corresponding shipment fields are populated. The shipping information on the item fulfillment record can be leveraged to gain deeper visibility into customer-specific shipping data and can be used to easily give package-specific tracking information to your customer support team. If EDI processes are a part of your fulfillment workflow, we can help automate it by writing back package-level information as well as carton and pallet label data back to NetSuite.